Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART inquiry leads for healthcare and medical equipment. So let's suppose I'm a procurement manager at a hospital and I'm receiving inquiry in my IndiaMART. Now I want to send automated messages to all these inquiries, and I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and AI Sensei. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take IndiaMART, from where I will receive these new inquiries, and in my action application, I will take AI Sensei, where the WhatsApp message will be sent automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to send automated WhatsApp message to IndiaMART inquiries. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first I'll name the workflow as send automated WhatsApp message for healthcare and medical equipment to IndiaMART leads. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select my folder as IndiaMART and then click on this create. Now as soon as I click on this create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to send automated WhatsApp message for healthcare and medicinal equipments, which means whenever I will receive inquiry in my IndiaMART, a automated WhatsApp message will be sent to all my inquiries, which means whenever I will receive inquiries in IndiaMART, this complete workflow here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will take IndiaMART. And then in my trigger event, I will take new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, let me take you to my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account or the seller's dashboard of IndiaMART, and on the left hand side I can see all these options. Here I need to click on this lead manager, then I have to click on this three dots and then click on this import export leads. Then I have to click on this push API, and from this option I need to select my source. So these are the sources that you can see in this drop down, and I want to select the source as other. Then I need to enter my CRM platform name, which is Pabbly Connect, and then I need to enter my webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL and simply paste that over here. Now I have to click on this save details and then select why I want to connect my Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So I want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. If you have any other reason, you can select according to your choice and preference. Now I simply have to click on this click to generate OTP and then enter the OTP that I have received on my number. So after entering the OTP, I simply have to click on the submit. And here I have successfully added the webhook URL that I was provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So now I need to send the inquiry, and for that I need to open my profile. So here I have opened my profile in incognito mode and I have searched for my business, and after creating the profile I simply have to click on this contact supplier for sending my inquiry. So I will enter my inquiry in this box. So here I have entered my query. Hello, we are interested in purchasing an ultrasound machine. Could you please share pricing, specifications and delivery timelines? Waiting for your reply. Thank you. Now I simply have to click on the submit to submit my query, and then this is not a required field. So I'll simply click on the submit and my query has been submitted successfully. Here I can see thank you, your details are sent to this business. Now I need to open my Pabbly Connect and check whether it has received this query there or not. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see we have successfully received the response. The status is success. I have received a unique query ID which I will receive for every new query. Then I have received the subject, requirement for Pabbly Connect free demo available. Then the state, then I have received the email latest@pabblytunes.com and my company name, which is latest company. Then the city, the address, the country and the date and timing of the query. Then over here I have received the product name, and then here I have received my message query, which was, we are interested in purchasing an ultrasound machine. Could you please share the pricing, specification and delivery timelines? Waiting for your reply. Thank you. So this is the same message query that I have sent from my profile to my business. So this means Pabbly Connect is connected with IndiaMART, and now I have started receiving my queries after making this connection. So we have successfully made the connection, and now I need to move to my next step, which is action step. So here in my action application, I want to send automated WhatsApp message whenever I receive inquiry. So here I will choose my action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei, and then select my action event as send template message. Now I have to click on this connect. And if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, you have to click on this add new connection, and then you have to enter this API key to make this connection. So it's written, enter the API key here from your AI Sensei account. To obtain the API key, log into your AI Sensei account, navigate to manage section and then go to API key and then click on this generate API key button. So to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei account, and on the left hand side I can see all these options. Here I need to click on this manage, and then I have to click on this API key. So this is my API key, and I simply have to copy this and paste that over here. Now I have to click on this save. So WhatsApp by AI Sensei and Pabbly Connect are connected, and now I have to enter all these details. So the first one is campaign name. So to enter this, let me take you to my AI Sensei account. So this is my AI Sensei dashboard, and on the left hand side we can see all the options. Here I have to click on this manage, then I have to click on this all. So this is my template by the name IndiaMART 2. So I'll open this, and here I have drafted a message, hi demo. Thank you for your inquiry. I'll gather the pricing, specifications, delivery timelines for the product and get back to you shortly. If you have any query or need assistance, please feel free to reach out or reply to this message. Thanks, best regards. So this is my template, and I have to create a campaign for this template. For that, I will go on this campaigns option on the left hand side, and then I have to click on this launch button on the top. Then I have to click on this API campaign, and then I have to name my campaign. So let's say my campaign name is IndiaMART 2. And then I have to select my template. So my template name was IndiaMART 2, and then I have to click on this set live. So this was the same template, and over here I have used a custom variable which will keep on changing whenever I will receive a new response. So let's say I have received a new response for the name latest user. So this will be replaced by the new name every time I receive a new response. So this is the same message template. Hi, thank you for your inquiry. I'll gather the pricing, specifications and delivery timelines for the product and get back to you shortly. So we have successfully created a campaign, and then I have to click on this go to campaign. So my campaign has been set live. The status is live, and this has been created for this template. Here we can see the campaign type. Here we can see the message type template. Here we can see the template name, which was IndiaMART 2. Now I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and in this campaign name I need to enter my campaign. So the name of my campaign was IndiaMART 2. So I'll copy this and then paste that over here. Now I need to enter the mobile name, the username, the template params and so on. So to enter this, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response from IndiaMART. So I will simply click on this IndiaMART and enter my mobile number as this one. Now I need to enter my name. So for that I will follow the same process and enter my name as this one. And then as these fields are not required one, I am simply skipping this. Then I have to enter the template parameter. So it's written, enter the parameter values to be filled in a template message here. The parameter value should be comma separated. Example this. So my template param is the name of the inquiry or the lead. So here I will map that name. And as I am using just one custom variable, I have mapped my name over here. If in case I had many variables like the company name, the city name, I will map that following the same process and then simply put comma after every parameter. So now as these fields are not required one, I am going to skip this. And over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now I entered my phone number, username and the template parameter. Now I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have received the response, the status is success and I have received the message ID. Now I need to open my WhatsApp and see whether I have received the WhatsApp message there or not. So here I can see I have received the message successfully. Hi and the name of the lead. Thank you for your inquiry. I'll gather the pricing, specifications and delivery timelines for the product and get back to you shortly. If you have any query or need assistance, please feel free to reach out or reply to this message. Thanks, best regards. So here I have successfully received the message and this custom variable has been replaced with the name of the lead. Now, so to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We submitted a query from my profile and received the response over here, after which we took our action application as WhatsApp by AI Sensei and then entered the campaign name, entered the mobile number, the username and the template parameter, after which we simply clicked on the save and send test request and received the response as a WhatsApp message on my number. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.